Amazon must-haves. This is a one-touch slush machine that turns your favorite drink into a slushie. From soda to wine, daiquiris, coffee, juice, chocolate milk, and more. It evenly freezes liquids and martinis at an optimal temperature to make the perfect slushie, cocktail, milkshakes, or even frozen coffee that won't water down because there's no ice needed. Amazon Kitchen must-haves. This is the world's first multifunctional one-handed cutting board. It has an optional spike station so you can load your produce and chop with minimal effort. A border that serves as a bread stop to make sandwiches with one hand. A fruit and veggie peeler that is fixed to the board. And even a slanted single-handed grater with interchangeable slicing attachments.
This powerful handheld scrubber oscillates 60 times per second, effortlessly tackling grime and saving you time and energy on any surface, indoors or out.
You can see this ottoman has cat hair. We've already vacuumed a portion, but we'll do the rest. Does a wonderful job. These are small hairs, it's not even long. And I think I can stop it because we see the point.
Hey everyone, I'm here to review this automatic soap dispenser. I really do love this one. A lot of great things about it. It can be used in the kitchen. It can be used in the bathroom. We use ours in the kitchen, use it a lot every day. I'm going to turn it around. What I love most about this is you can plug it in. It is rechargeable. Oh my gosh, no more batteries. Yay. I just love that. I've only charged it once since we've gotten it and it's lasted for months. Love it. Underneath it, the little white square there, that is for the wall mount. So more for the bathroom. If I was wanting to do it to the wall, that's where I would use that. I'm going to switch it to the front here. Just love how elegant, the white, the silver, very beautiful. On the left side, there are 4 small little gray dots. So that is the level of soap dispense. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, either from a little to a lot. So that is where you control that. On the right side, same thing. That is how much it is charged. 1, 2, 3, 4, the different levels. So it'll tell you exactly, let you know exactly when it is time to charge it. So it won't die on you. Wonderful. So love that. Underneath, I'm going to just kind of put it in my hand there for you. On the left side, you saw 2 dots. I have it on the level 2 of amount, and then it is fully charged still. So I love that. Also, at the very bottom, it's nice to know how much soap is in there exactly, so you know exactly when you need more. Love it. So this is a great soap dispenser. I definitely recommend 10 out of 10.
So today I'll be doing an honest review on this next mug, this temperature controlled self-heating coffee mug, which holds about 14 ounces of liquid. I've had it for a few months now, so I'll be giving my honest, authentic review, as well as some things to know before buying. So first off, we're going to be able to see here that it does have this lid over, right? Very protective lid. And this is actually made of a very high-tech technology, which heats the coffee up if you leave it on the microwave. If you just have it sitting around, let's say you're going to do something, or you're going to get to work and you just want it to stay hot, we are going to be able to control all 3 settings, right? So how you turn this on is basically this control panel right here. As soon as you press this, it is on. And we're going to be able to switch between warm, hot, and piping. Now, the piping setting is extremely hot, in my own opinion. If it's something that I've already heated up, I'll be putting it to warm. I'll just leave it at warm, and then it'll just keep my drink warm at all times, right? Now, this does last forever, honestly. It has lasted me throughout the whole day, which I've just had it on, right? Sipping, taking slow sips of tea if I'm sick, or just taking sips of coffee, right? Just really depends, but it really is a really nice mug. It's handheld. It even has a little grip on the handle right here. Very lightweight. You charge the bottom right here, which keeps this charged and very able to use, right? You can just move this around the whole house while having it on. Very easy to use, very compact. The slick black color is amazing as well. So, I mean, honestly, I would say that this next mug self-heating coffee cup is very essential, very important. Somewhere where you can just keep your drinks hot and warm throughout the day. You could even put a cold drink in here and warm it right up if you put hot or piping in an instant. So I honestly highly recommend it. It has amazing quality. It's made my life easier. So I, again, highly, honestly recommend it.
Hello guys, this is a review of the Immersion Blender handheld. So it's an electric hand blender with 1000 watt. And also it comes with many items, so now I will show you these items. So here it comes with these kits. So this is the Immersion Blender itself. So it comes with a cable, you just have to plug it and that's it. It comes with two buttons. At the top is on off, and here's the turbo mode, so you can accelerate the blender. Also it comes with different settings at the top. Here you can choose 1/12. It comes also with a beaker, and here's a cap of it. You put it on the top, so you can do, like, for example, juice. And this blender comes with two heads. So the standard one, this is the standard one, and also it comes with a whisk. So here's the whisk with a special head. You just have to twist it like this, and that's it. A really nice product, and I really recommend it.
Alright, so this is the Crock-Pot electronic lunchbox. I have had this thing for a little over a year. My wife got it for me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. I use it just about every day at work. It is super simple. Take that lid off, open it up. You can dump a can of food right there into it. Put this back on, lid back on it. Thick stuff takes about 45 minutes to cook. If it's really thin soup or something like that, after about 30 minutes, you're good to go. Yeah, I mean, it's that simple. You just plug it in and go. And yeah, there's really not much more that I can say about it other than this is a great product, and I haven't had any issues out of it yet. So yeah, there you have it.